everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to stop autocorrect C to copyright sign in Excel. Usually, when we type bracket C bracket into a cell in Excel, it will be corrected to copyright sign automatically. Sometimes you just need to stop this autocorrect C to copyright sign. How can you get it done in Excel? Click the File tab, click More, click Options, select Proofing, and click on the autocorrect options. In the autocorrect dialog, select C to copyright sign from the drop down list and then click the delete button. Click the OK button, again click the OK button, and now when you type bracket C bracket, it will just show the C character inside the double brackets. And if you want to return the autocorrect C to copyright sign, just copy the symbol, click File tab, in the More options, select Options, click Proofing, and click on the autocorrect options. In the Replace text box, enter bracket C bracket. For the wet text box, paste the uh, copyright sign, or you can enter the following formula: equal CHAR character 169, close the bracket, click the Add button, click the OK button, again click the OK button, and now when you type bracket C bracket, it will automatically changes to the copyright sign. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.